Hey guys, today I'm going to be reviewing DQ Cotton Candy Snack Size Blizzard. Heath is here, but I'm just going to say hi. He's eating his lunch.
Hello.
Looks like a little rabbit. Anyways, it's just a Cotton Candy Blizzard, one of the summer blizzards they're coming out with. You guys, again, want to check out the Trips Their channel. They reviewed 3 of them. I think it's Cotton Candy, Oreo Cheesecake, and I can't remember the third one. Sorry. I'll probably try and post a link to their video so you guys check that out. Okay, this is what it is. What it looks like here. Not bad. Kind of tastes like Pop Rocks. I feel like it's crackling going on in my mouth. Try one more spoonful here. No, not Pop Rocks. Almost felt like that same kind of texture. I don't know. It depends if you like if you know, some people may not like this. I'm okay with it. It's not too sweet. Tastes like cotton candy to me. I give it 4 out of 5. This is really, really good and I'm enjoying it, but I guess because of the price point, I find their blizzards are really expensive, at least they are in Canada. I'm not sure how much the mini snack size is, but I know the medium size is like 5 something, almost $6. But let me know in the comments what your favorite flavor blizzard is, if you would try this or not. And I'm going to include a link to the Trips video in the description below. I encourage you guys to check that out. Have a good day, everybody. Bye.